Okay, so this is the new dampener for the ABC pump. Just this has this protection. I removed the old one. You see there? That's where it goes. And I think it's torqued to 45 Newton meters, if I'm not mistaken. I have to check again on a whiz. But yeah, other than that, it's just easy maintenance, so to speak, preventive maintenance. I don't know how much a dealership would charge you, but probably would be an arm and a leg. Also, there's one more thing. I had a problem before. If you look here, sometimes you'll find coolant pulling up and then leaking down the front cover. Actually, if you remove these, there's two e-torques here. One is here, one is on this side. There's another bolt here holding this metal pipe. If you remove it, there's an O-ring inside. You just replace the O-ring and that would solve your problem. I called the Mercedes garage telling them that I was having a leak from the thermostat housing. They told me straight away, oh, we have to replace the whole unit. It's going to cost you £500 plus the labor. So they told me they would charge me £900 just for a 2-pound O-ring. So you can do this as well yourself as a preventive maintenance. The O-ring, the size of it, I forgot the size, but you can find it on WIS or EPC online. You can find the size of the O-ring, and I bought like 10 of them for £5. So every time I'm removing this, I'm just replacing the O-ring as well, just because it's cheap.